cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Should be pulling away from the fight. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I got my package via DHL. It took about 2 days to get to me. Now the name of the company is called YirooHair or YirooHair. I'll have it down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. Anyway, I received some wig caps, a headband, and of course the wig itself. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about the unit. This is a kinky straight unit. You guys see that texture? Yes, of course you guys know this is one of my favorite textures ever. I love working with this kind of hair. It's just something about it. It's just so beautiful. So this is the wig itself. This is a 360 wig and it does have combs, 2 in the front. It also has a comb in the back. It has that nice stretch cap panel, and of course it has adjustable straps. Hey you guys, so you know I had to come on here and talk about this wig, right? Y'all know when I start talking, that means this wig is fire. I absolutely love it. Again, you guys, you saw in the intro that this wig is from a company called YirooHair. It's either Yiroo or Yiroo. Anyway, I'll scroll it across the screen. You pronounce it however you want. But honey, we're gonna call this gorgeous hair. This hair is amazing. Now you guys saw in the beginning how I had to finesse this wig. This wig, when you get it, you're going to be overwhelmed. If you are not used to that much hair, it's gonna scare you, because it definitely scared me. I pulled it out and I was like, ooh. The hair is soft, don't get me wrong, the hair is soft. There's no complaints about the hair. It's just the density is so thick on this unit, and I honestly did not think that I could get it to look the way it looks right now, which is really straight. I'm gonna tell you guys what I used. Sorry about that. That was my daughter. Whatever, that was my daughter on FaceTime. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I used on this hair to get it like this. I'm gonna tell you everything that I did, because I can't really show you, because girl, I was just so overwhelmed. Like, we about to be here all day straightening this hair. I wasn't sure if it even would straighten or how it would straighten, but as you guys can see, it is amazing. I do have this wig adhered to my head. I'm gonna start off with that. I use my Got To Be Glued gel around the perimeter, and also the free spray in the perimeter. You guys have seen me do this method a few times, so I didn't feel the need to show you in a video. I can just direct you to another video where you see how I apply my units. Now this time I did it a little different. I did use bolt hold as well, and I use bolt hold like on the edges, because for some reason my hair is good along the perimeter, but the sides always come up. So I just wanted to make sure that this hair is not going to come up, because I knew I was going to have to be doing a lot of tugging and pulling and straightening. So I really wanted this wig to be secure. I did use the adjustable straps in the back, so that's it. And also the comb, which I call an anchor comb, so that your wig doesn't come, fly up. I love when wigs have that extra security comb in the back. It just makes this so much easier. Now this is also a 360 wig, so if you want to glue down the whole thing or spray it down or however you want to do it, you can do that, so that you can wear the wig in an updo. You guys know I don't really wear my wigs in an updo, so I never really show you that. One day I will. I actually have a wig coming up probably in a few weeks that I can show you guys exactly how to do that. And yeah, but anyway, let's just keep talking about this one, because I absolutely love it. Like, you guys know, when I come over here and start talking, you guys know that I love the wig. So to straighten it out, I use this hair polisher slash heat protector straightening serum And this is it right here. It's from Fantasia, or Icy Fantasia. In case you guys are wondering, this is really good, and it also smells amazing. So this is what I use to straighten the hair. I had to use quite a lot of this because this hair is so thick, and I needed the oils to penetrate the hair, comb it through, and then I went through with my flat iron. Now I started off with my flat iron, and I was like, you know what, this is not gonna work. So I went in the kitchen, girl. I went back, you know, way back. I went in the kitchen and I put my hot comb on the stove, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it like this because this way it's gonna take me forever. So I did one side with the hot comb, and it did a good job. Like, it held the heat very well, but then it was getting too hot in there, so I'm like, you know what, let me go back in my room and finish it off with the flat iron. So that's what you guys are seeing right now. Those are the things that I used. As far as baby hairs go, this does come with baby hairs. I did, of course, cut them, but I didn't like do any like really crazy swoops or anything like that. Kind of just left them natural looking. So that's what you guys are seeing right now. I actually can go and just, you know, put these underneath this, and you won't see the baby hairs at all. So as you guys can see, like, there's no real swoops or anything like that. So yeah, it's just, I just left it. I love this wig, okay? Like, listen, y'all want this wig, check down below in the description box. All of the links to this unit will be down below. Also, if you guys have any comments or questions or anything like that, leave them in the comment section. This wig is extra long, okay? You guys know I'm 5'2", and this wig is dumb long. It comes, let's see. Yeah, it definitely goes past my behind again. So this wig it has to be about 24 to 26 inches. I don't really remember, but I'll leave all of that information down below. Hopefully I have some coupon codes that you guys can use to save some money. And yeah, on that note, I will talk to you all later. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and all that good stuff. And I will talk to you later. Bye. Thanks for watching.
To replace you, try to give up on you, but I can't, you know I can't. Saw your name on my phone, yeah. You only call when you want it. Baby, gotta be honest. You know my body never known better. It's like an upgraded business.
You mess me up and I miss it.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he's never gonna let go.